Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and this is
Sabrina.
And this is
Natalie.
Yeah. And how old are you?
6.
And how old are you?
3.
3. Good. Yeah. And today we are making a springtime Mother's Day cake. I'm so excited that my girls wanted to help me today. So let's get started. Yeah.
Bye.
I start out stacking the cake. This is red velvet cake and vegan American buttercream. This cake is dedicated to 2 women who were mother figures in my life. Bonnie Jean, who has been like a mother to me in many ways, and Julie, her sister, who has been one of the biggest supporters of my cake decorating from my first blog post. I started out making some pastel colored fondant, blue, yellow, green, purple, pink, and orange. I rolled out the green first and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it down with my hands and cut off the excess with a sharp knife. Then I rolled all the other colors out and used small flower cutters to make several different kinds of flowers. The girls helped me cut out the flowers. We cut them out of all the different colors that we had. When we were ready to decorate the cake, I started out cutting the star-shaped flowers in half and creating a border along the bottom. Then I placed the smaller flowers all over the top and sides of the cake, kind of randomly. So far, it's looking like a springtime dream, but we're missing something important. So I took a ball of gum paste and pinched one side to be tail feathers. And I pinched a small beak to make a songbird. Then I used a flat modeling tool to sketch some wings into the side of the bird. And I scratched some feather textures onto the back and the tail. I defined the beak a bit and used a small ball tool to press in some eyes and made a line in the beak with the knife. I used an ice cube tray as a paint palette and put yellow, red, brown, and black food coloring in it, as well as clear alcohol. I mixed some red and yellow food coloring with some alcohol and painted the breast of the bird. Then I mixed some brown and black with alcohol to make a gray-brown and painted the rest of the bird that color. I also painted the beak. The eyes are pure black food coloring. Then I placed the bird on the cake and touched up the paint a bit. Little Robin Redbreast has joined us for spring. Pastel colors and songbirds, dedicated to Bonnie Jean and Julie. You know who you are. Thank you for all the support you've always given me. You are some of my community of mothers. Happy Mother's Day. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.
Sabrina. Today we're making a Mother's Day cake, a Mother's Day spring cake. Let's get started. Yay! I did it by myself. Hello, I'm Miss Natalie. I'm making a first cake.
Good. A spring cake, yeah?
A spring cake.
For Mother's Day?
A Mother's Day.
Yay!